sex lectures. Should we take a breath? Hello. I'm Alison Pilling. I'm a sex geek. This is my co-host, Jem Ayres, a fellow sex geek. The sex lecture started in Manchester. It was, I heard it in a meditation. I heard the words, the sex lectures, in a meditation. And I went to a friend of mine who is an artist, and I said, I've got an idea, and I wonder if you'd help me. And he said, what's the idea, Alison? And I said, well, it's not as much as an idea as just 3 little words, the sex lectures. And my artist friend, looked at me and said, sounds like the Wreath lectures. Let's do it. And so we set it up in Manchester before the pandemic, and we asked artists and sex teachers and experts and kinksters and whoever, tantra teachers, if they would come and speak about this bewildering topic of sex. Because I don't know about you, but it's quite confusing.
There is so much extraordinarily misogynistic and toxic advice out there in the dating world that makes my skin crawl. Still based on pickup artistry from the 90s and 2000s about manipulation, primarily manipulation to get what you want, to get sex. So really all I was trying to say was how to not be a dick in dating and relationships. It's actually pretty simple.
I've been pondering it for some weeks and feeling like it's the biggest philosophical question of my life. So if you don't mind indulging me in meandering, even with Miranda, whoever she is. But let's have a meander into this philosophical question of Eros energy, the dance of aliveness. What is aliveness?
So, I say it again, where creativity, Eros, and embodiment meet, we thrive. We feel alive, inspired, and connected with our bodies, with our hearts, with our purpose even, and with one another.
Because actually this is really radical for speakers to be in this world, because this work is on the fringes of acceptable society. And, you know, we feel that in this world, so thank you so much. Deep, deep gratitude for everyone for showing up for yourselves and for each other. And, of course, a massive thank you to Alison Pilling. Look after yourselves. Be really soft with yourselves, guys. You know, maybe, you know, don't go phoning your mum or anyone too challenging. And there is a table of business cards of all the speakers here. Thank you very much.